Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make pasta in under 10 minutes using this Japanese gadgets I got from DAISO the other day. So first, place your pasta inside a container, then add some cold water to the line label on the side. I forgot to add, but make sure you add a teaspoon of salt to the pasta here and heat it in the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes without a lid. Next, put the lid on and drain the hot water from the front like this. This gadget is super convenient, especially when you just want to cook pasta for yourself or don't want to do many dishes. It also comes in handy when you only have a little time but still need to grab something to eat. Now pour your favorite pasta sauce over it. Mine is tomato sauce and it's ready to serve. If you want, you can add some basil, black pepper, or Parmesan cheese too. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.